Excel class.
Hello friends, in this session we discuss these things of this PCB. I already discussed this about how can you use your PCB in medical applications and other applications related to this. Okay, but in medical applications these products are now desire and consume less power than previous generation. Okay, making and it's possible to test new and exciting medical technology. Okay, so but in most medical devices used in high density PCB, which is used to create the smallest and desire design possible. Okay, so this helps to relieve some of the unique constraint involved with the developing devices for the medical field due to the necessary of small size and lightweight. Okay, so here in this PCBs have found their way into the everything from small devices such as the pacemakers to each larger devices like X-ray equipments and CAT scan machines. Okay, I already discussed this which in medical applications. So they are used in this medical applications like X-ray and the CAT scan processor. Okay, CAT scan machines. Okay, so and in the next is industrial machinery. In industrial part, PCBs are commonly used in high-powered industrial machinery. Okay, so in places where current wants copper, PCBs do not fit the requirements. Okay. So thick copper PCBs can be utilized instead. Okay, example of situation where the thicker copper PCB would be beneficial, including motor controller, high current battery chargers, and industrial load tester. Okay, so they are used for this industrial machinery. Okay, like this beneficial for this motor controller. Okay, and high current battery chargers and industrial load testers. Okay, here this next part in these applications we used in lighting part as LED based lighting solutions catch on its popularity because of their low power consumptions and high level of efficiency. Okay, so to do aluminum based back PCBs, okay, which are used to make them. Okay, so this PCB serve as heat sinks. Okay, and allow for the higher level of heat transfer than the standard PCB. Okay, These same aluminium backed PCBs formed the basics for both high lumen LED applications and basic lighting solutions. So here we use this in lighting applications. In other automotive and aerospace industrial. So here in this applications in aerospace and automotive, so these PCBs are very much important, and some certain of and specific small work in this automotive and aerospace industries. Here both of these automotive and aerospace industrials make use the flexible PCBs which are designed to withstand the high variations environments that the common of both fields. Depending on the specification and designs, they can also be very lightweight. So which is necessary when the manufacturing parts for the transportation industries. So they are also able to conform to the tight space that might be present in the application, such as the inside instrument panels or behind the instrument gauges on the dashboard. So here the automatic and aerospace, in this both case we use these applications. There are several overall types of PCB boards, each with their own particles, manufacturing specifications, material type and usages. Single layer PCB, double layer PCBs, multi-layer PCB, rigged PCB, flexible PCBs, rigged flex PCBs, high frequency PCBs, aluminium backed PCBs. We discuss later. So here these are the PCB. But here in this we see here before we going to in PCB design or PCB. So here the difference between the PCB layout and breadboard connections. All are these PCBs are. So here in this slide is before we going to in PCB description, we knowing about this breadboard. What is the breadboard and what is its function? Why we use breadboard? So in our college, okay, or who are in make a PCB or make a circuit, okay. First you make or test your circuit, okay. So before you make or finally, okay, make your circuit final, okay. The initially first you test your circuit, okay, by this breadboard connections, okay. So in my next slide or next session we discuss about this breadboard, okay. Thank you.